Guys, so we are in Grand Sukhumvit Hotel, Bangkok. So I believe I've stayed in this hotel around 2 years back, but I think this is the new block or new room. So it is decently newer than the one that I stayed before, but the one that I stayed before is bigger. So this is a twin room, 2 beds, bathroom and the typical stuff. So let me show you guys around. So first of all, 2 beds, the view 360. So it's very basic. There's 2 beds, the TV, there's a built-in cupboard, and the toilet is right on the left, and that's about it for the size of the room. So let me just check out the view. We are on the 26th floor, so it's not too bad of a view, I guess. We could see the park there, we could see some construction going down, someone on the roof right there. Then we got a big ass TV, guys. Look at how big the TV is. I mean, if you look at the proportion of this area, the TV is already exceeded the mirror. So yeah. And okay, let me just show you guys what are the stuff that is in the room. I mean, of course, you got a standard pen and paper, you got a phone, you got a controller that controls everything, aircon, TV lights and alarm, right? And then right in front of the bed is of course the TV, the channel selection, the remote. Oh yes, this is a smoking room, so you got an ashtray, you got a pack of matches, and then of course there is the minibar selection. We got some nuts, drinks, protection, and of course different kind of, I think it's coffee, brown and sugar, and Ceylon tea. I don't know if there's a fridge. Oh yes, there's a fridge. Got some cups. Yes, the fridge is filled, but of course you gotta pay if you want that. So that is whatever that is in the sleeping area and in front of sleeping area. And now we come to the cupboard area, which let me see. Okay, in the cupboard area there is bathrobes, some hangers, sleepers, 2 sets, 1 extra pillow, laundry bags, flashlight, a safe, empty cupboards, and empty drawers. So pretty basic, right guys? So coming to the bathroom. Oh. So this is the bathroom. You got a shitter, pretty basic but pretty big. You got a bathtub, which is quite dirty. Ew. And then we got a shower, and the view from the bathroom. Very heavy watermark, guys. Check it out. So that is the end of the twin room in Grand Sukhumvit Hotel. You guys, so after the room tour, you should be going to the gym right now. Just check out the gym, because from the photos it looks pretty nice. So let me bring you guys to the gym and show you how it looks. So that's the gym, and now let me show you the swimming pool. It's raining now, but well, at least you can see the pool. So that's about it, guys. It's my last day here, in fact. So I'm actually checking out shortly. So just wanted to like show you guys the swimming pool and the gym. The gym is okay. The swimming pool is nice, and opposite of the swimming pool is actually the spa. I don't think they allow us to video inside the spa, so I'm gonna skip that. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys back in Malaysia.